New baby. Our brand new baby is here. Let's look at this. Very beautiful. Wow.
Oh. That down another thing to hit your leg, go.
Mama, you like this? Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching. In this video, I want to unbox my brand new what? Brand new table gas. What is it, table gas? I want to unbox my brand new table gas.
Or cooking gas.
Eh? Cooking gas, yeah, table cooking gas, whatever. Mama, come on, say hi guys. Wait. So guys, this is my brand new. This is beautiful. So let's open it together. Which product is BOSCON product? BOSCON. Wait now, come and sit down. Come and sit down. Let me open it. Sit down, let's open it. I'll carry this one. Carry this one. Throw it under this face. Where should I open it? Emma, should I tear the carton?
Yes, you can. Remove it from me.
Okay. Mama, come and sit down now. Okay. I don't need knife. Come on, open it for us now. Should I bring knife?
Mama is sleeping. Mama.
Two powder goes on. Come. Ooh. It's fine. It's beautiful. Wow. Guys, it's beautiful. New baby. Our brand new baby is here. Guys, look at this. Very beautiful. The top is glass. This is glass top. Wow. It's fine.
Excuse me first.
Okay. It's fine. going to help me fix it.
No, I don't think they hit your leg. Come. Turn the other side. Turn here.
Okay, like this. Like this. And this is the host. This is the host. And this is, you know this one, what is it called? Regulator. This is the host with the, connected to the regulator. I mean, the regulator is connected to the host. I mean, the host is connected to the regulator. Anyone? Anyone? This is the host and the regulator. Guys, everything is new. Exception of the cylinder. The cylinder is inside, it's old. Now, what are you doing? Come on, stand here and do it. Come to this side. Busy body. Busy body. Oh yeah, come.
Wait, let me check something. Your mom is calling.
Come and stay here and do it. What are you doing?
After them, boss.
Yeah, bring it. Is it not going to Extra.
No. Yeah, I'm not.
Eh.
So if I'm gonna be better.
Okay. So you're done now. So
About
done.
150, you see 600, you don't about 300 you got.
Okay.
Don't know.
Mark it for everyone.
Okay, say my story. You don't say what yet?
To the kitchen now. To the kitchen.
Sound.
I want to carry my phone.
Then, mama dia ni. Lambe. Dah dah dulu before makan apa? Then, dah kita. Buat kita.
Wow. The thing you get off it. Because I don't, I can't, I say, I want to, I guess I won't go.